So we're here in Edinburgh today on National Pothole Day, speaking to some of the residents about exactly what they think of the pothole problem here in Scotland on their roads. It's National Pothole Day today. Were you aware of that?
No, but I am now. But for me, every day is National Pothole Day.
So National Pothole Day, from what I'm aware, was started by a citizen who was wanting to bring more attention to this issue.
They identified a need to highlight the pothole crisis that we have in the UK and chose to make the 15th of January National Pothole Day.
Potholes are a massive issue here. They're a massive issue in politics, they're a massive issue in transport and in life. They can be dangerous for cyclists.
I've come off twice last year, nearly come off the other day already this year. It's only January.
Yes, the road conditions I think they're like quite poor. They're like full of pit holes and it gets like very dangerous. I have fallen like a couple of times already.
Rims on my bike just getting damaged, spokes getting bent and spinning out.
National Pothole Day has really become an opportunity for raising awareness to politicians and other media outlets right across the UK.
It's a big issue here for local authorities and councils, and it's something that's every year is becoming bigger and bigger.
I mean, I'm self-employed, so I work on my bike. So I'm out on the roads, can be 12 hours a day sometimes, you know, so the roads are just a constant battle, just a constant battle. You can't get from A to B without hitting potholes or something like that. It's just shocking.
Especially like Portobello going up to Edinburgh are so bad. If you go into some roads, it's just like you're trying to avoid them.
The road condition I think they could like improve quite a lot.
What, would you be surprised if I told you that Scotland had the worst roads in Europe?
I wouldn't be surprised.
Look around, I mean, I can see some over here already, in the middle of the road, over there, over here.
I know the potholes are bad here, but I didn't know it was the worst.
Would you be surprised then if I told you that Scotland had the worst roads in Europe?
I'm not surprised at that. I took a picture the other day. My brother lives in Japan and he wasn't bothered about the picture. He just instantly saw the potholes in the picture and he says, look at the state of them roads. I goes, mate, that's what we have to contend with.
What if I told you that there was a product that you could use that would repair the roads forever and you wouldn't have the cost of actually tearing the roads up? Do you think that's something that the Scottish Road Authority should look at?
That sounds like a great idea.
You know, Easy Street's a new product here in the UK. It's important to us to get the message to as many people as possible that this is something that can be used cold, it can be used as a permanent repair, and you won't have to come back and do the same repair time and time again.
So if there was a product that could fix the potholes in 5 minutes without having to tear up the full road, do you think that's something that the local government should look at here?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
And give me the stuff, I'll go and do it myself on my spare time, you know what I mean?
Yes, it will promote people like maybe like to cycle a bit more.